Today's video we're going to be looking at rafter to plate or truss to plate connections on residential homes. The usual standard thing right here is a hurricane tie. So these hurricane ties are installed with these little galvanized nails, and these are your enemy, guys. I've smashed my finger more times installing these with these than any other thing I've done in my life, which is a lot. Here's another type that goes on, nails to your plate, and this nails to your rafter or truss. These keep your house from blowing away if the wind gets really bad, picks up under your overhangs. This is what holds it down. But today we're going to be looking at a newer product that works really well if you want to save some time and money, and that is Strong Ties rafter to plate screws. These are 6-inch screws threaded all the way that zip through the bottom of your double top plate and do the same thing, except they do it a lot faster and easier. Here's a closer look at these Simpson Strong Drive Screws. They have a T30 head and it comes with a bit. They have a really wide thread on them so they grab really well and hold your rafters down to your wall. And you can see right here, they do pass code as a connection for this type of use. Do check with your inspectors anyway. My inspectors love these things. Depends on where you are. If you're in South Florida, these might not be good, but up here in North Carolina in the mountains, they're great. You might be wondering what this quiver is that I'm wearing. I'm going to show you. This is an awesome tool that'll help you do these screws super fast without a ladder. This is amazing. Here we go. So what I have here is an attachment to your regular drill. It attaches right here. This is called a Quik Stik. We put a screw on the end and it holds itself, which is pretty awesome. It's got a level that when you get to the right angle for the screw to be put in properly, you can tell. And then you put it up to your wall plate and then you push and it will feed the screw in until it's installed from the ground. This is awesome. Okay, first off I'm going to install one of these old hurricane ties. We're going to time it, see how long it takes to put one in. And I'm pretty good at this, by the way. I've been doing it for like 20 years. Okay, now we're going to chuck this Quik Stik up into my drill and try that, see how long that takes. Notice that I have my drill in gear 1 because there's a lot of torque required to put this long screw in. Drive it home and it'll pop off the end. So that took about 5 seconds. And what I really want you to notice is that I was standing on the ground. I wasn't standing on a ladder. And that really speeds things up as well. One other advantage of these is that they're not nearly as visible. There's one right there. So if you're screwing into an exposed structural member like a beam that's going to be exposed in the finish, you don't see that. Now you could put a trim board or something over this, but it's a lot harder to hide that than that. And in fact, you can even fill that with wood putty and make it completely disappear. Okay, so here's the bottom line about this tool and this product. You're going to take an hour and a half's worth of work and turn it into 10 minutes worth of work, and you're not going to smash your fingers, and you're not going to have to haul a ladder around. So even if these screws are slightly more expensive, you're going to save money and not lose your mind by using them. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next video. Little side note here, if you don't have a Quik Stik, the box of screws does come with this little template to help you guide the screw in at the right angle. You just attach it to your plates, put the screw in with a regular drill with the T30 bit they provided.